ready to leave tomorrow, and then we're still gonna try to do prep. So, exciting last day, but let's head out. Clark, what are you loving in here? I just woke up. Clark did take a nap in the cab.
Hey guys, I'm currently in Davao right now. I'll be staying here for 3 days for a duty, airport standby duty and hotel standby duty. Dumating ako here sa hotel ng around 5 o'clock and it's currently 6 o'clock. And now, titingin ako ng food sa in-room dining menu nila. Kasi tinatamad na ako lumabas. And may meal allowance naman kami sa hotel. So, mag-in-room dining na lang siguro ako. Nakaligo na rin kasi ako. So, ayoko na magbihis. I just wanna stay here sa room. And also, I have an early duty tomorrow sa airport. So, my pickup time will be 6:20 in the morning, I think. Yeah, 6:20 I think. Tapos, magstay lang ako dun for 6 hours as a standby crew just in case merong magkulang na flight. So, yun. Finally here. I got mango shake, Japanese siomai, what's this? Combination barbecue, rice toppings from Lokfu, and then spinach and seafood soup. Ang dami niya, guys. Pero sinagad ko na kasi yung meal allowance for today. Since half day lang ako ngayon para naman masulit ko, and gusto ko ng soup. Hindi ko rin alam yung orderin ko. So, may mini fridge naman dito. So, lalagay ko na lang yung matira ko siguro para hindi masira. I'm going to eat now. Time to eat. Super satisfying and comforting. A little bit. Siguro dito ko na lang. Holy shit! Good morning.
All of us are wearing our boxers. B41, we made it! Here we go! Jump! Oh my god, I'm shaking. This is amazing. Thank you guys. I love the ears. I'm almost as tall as you now. Not quite, but almost. I'm buzzing. Please look. She's gonna be right there.
Fruit haul. I got, what's this? Pomelo. And then, I also got mangosteen. Pricey pa siya kasi hindi daw season ngayon. Pero gusto ko lang, nag-crave ako ng mangosteen. So, I only got 3 kilos and malalaki siya. Let's try one. If ever naman matamis, pwede pa ako bumuli ulit. I'm here in Davao until tomorrow pa. I still have 1 whole day tomorrow. And then July 1 ako uuwi. I also asked for the room to be made up. And they gave me free cookies. Aww. So, yun. I'll order in-room dining na lang ulit kasi hindi pa ako nagla-lunch. It's around, what time is it? 2 p.m. Yun. Nag-breakfast lang ako kanina sa airport. So, order na lang ulit ako ng lunch here. Let's check out the weather outside. Oh, it's gloomy. But still nice. It's not that hot outside. Tanggal ako ng makeup because I'm getting allergies. I don't know from where. Nangangati na ako. And may redness na rin yung face ko ng konti. So, tinanggal ko na lang yung makeup para hindi na ganun ka ma-irritate yung skin ko. I got my accessories. I only brought my bracelet and earrings. I'm just gonna spray my Talba First Spray Serum. Hopefully, mawala yung redness. And maka-help yung serum. Tint. Ayan. Para glowy and fresh lang tayo. Kahit ang pangit ng skin ko ngayon kasi na-allergy ako. Anyway, I'm just going to the lobby and check kung anong pwede kong kainin sa restaurant sa baba. And also, may tatanong lang ako sa lobby sa front desk regarding my meal allowance and also yung extension ko for my stay here. Kasi nung nag-check-in ako yesterday, ang alam nila is until Tuesday lang ako. But in my schedule is until Wednesday ako. So, sabi nila, confirm na lang nila. So, I'll check lang kung na-confirm na nila sa office. So, yun. I guess I'll see you when nasa restaurant na ako. Bye. Fit check! Sandals lang. Flats.
It's exactly something quieter, like a window that stays open without wind. I've known worse mornings.
Done getting ready. Super light makeup lang din. Nag-tint lang ako and then konting skin tint. Then I'm gonna show you my outfit for today. This is the full outfit. Girly girl lang tayo today. Sana may pocket. Oh my gosh, may pocket pala to. Ngayon ko lang na-realize may pocket pala ng dress na to. Tagal ko na sinusuot. Ngayon ko lang nalaman na may pocket. Oh my gosh. Breakfast. Fruits. Hey guys, it's currently 9:22 p.m. And nag-pack na ako ng gamit kasi tomorrow early yung flight ko going back to Manila. And after ko mag-pack, nagutom ako. So, binawasan ko yung pomelo na pasalubong ko sa bahay. Yung isang box. Tinanggal ko na kasi siya sa box kasi hindi kasya sa luggage ko yung box. So, kailangan kong i-open yung box para ma-assemble yung pomelo doon ng flat para kasya and ma-close ko yung maleta ko. Anyway, tinikman ko din kasi ibang brand or yung box na binigay sa akin, ibang brand. Parang same price siya ni Menzi ba yun? Hindi ko sure kung Menzi tama ba yun. Basta 750 per box. Parang 10 pieces of pomelo na siya. And inopen ko siya using my eyebrow blade. Kasi wala akong knife here. And tinatamad na akong magpadala from sa baba. So, kaya ko naman i-open kasi parang kinailangan ko lang naman i-cut ng maliit. Tas by hand ko na siya pinil. Anyway, Ang sarap. Sobrang tamis ng pomelo. Buti na lang. Kasi medyo nag-worry ako kasi hindi ko kilala yung brand na binigay sa akin na box. Kasi nung binili ko yung pomelo, nasa shuttle lang ako noon. Parang pinasuyo ko lang siya dun sa shuttle driver namin para hindi na ako bumaba kasi naka-uniform ako and hindi rin ako pwedeng bumaba that time. So sabi ko yung tig 750 lang. I thought na Menzi yung ibibigay sa akin. Pero ito yung inabot. Di okay na yan. Kasi nakisuyo lang naman ako. So hindi na para magreklamo pa tayo, diba? Anyway, nagtimpla din ako ng coffee. Kasi ang lamig talaga sa room dito. Nakakatawa. Nakalagay dun sa temperature, dun sa monitor na parang room temp is currently 19 degrees. Pero ilang araw ko na siyang sinasagad to 30 point something. Hindi nag-change. So parang nakaset siya to 19 to 20 lang siya. So ang lamig. Hindi naman ako sanay na ganun yung aircon. Usually naka 23 or 24 lang ako sa bahay. So may times na pinapatay ko na lang yung aircon so sobrang lamig. And then pag nainitan ako, tsaka ako na lang siya i-open ulit. Pero grabe kasi talaga yung lamig niya. Kaya sinusuot ko din yung robe. Kasi yung dala kong pantulog is shorts and sleeveless lang. Kasi ganito ako sanay matulog sa house. Hindi ko rin kaya ng naka-t-shirt or naka-pajama na long pants. Kaya, ayun, nag-robe na lang ako pag hindi ako nasa bed. Kasi pag nasa bed, naka-comforter naman ako. Anyway, I'm not sure if I can still vlog tomorrow. But if not, this will be the end of my vlog. Thank you for coming along with me here in Davao. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope to see you again on my next vlog. Bye!